So we haven't seen dolphins and whales yesterday, and as you can see we also got no seats for today's whale watching tour. We just came back to the lookout where we've been yesterday. We might gonna see one now, not quite sure about that, but we also got some time left when we headed back after this garden route to Cape Town. So we might come back to Hermanus to do the whale watching tour. So no stress, no problem. We still got some time left to spot some whales. Was there one?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I couldn't see him. But it was also too far away. Where?
Da hinten.
Really, again? There!
Ja. Oh.
There! There! Yeah!
Polizei.
What do they want from us? Overstrand traffic.
Hi.
Hello sir.
Hello.
How are you doing today, guys?
Good.
Ma'am, we are doing a normal inspection. Can I please have your driver's license?
Traffic control.
Genau hier vorne.
What?
Genau hier vorne war eben. Ja, da.
There! Oh my god! There is really the whale! There's a whale! There's a whale!
Oh mein Gott!
He was close!
Look, 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 there he is!
Oh my! Honey! Come on!
Man kann hier nirgends parken!
I have never seen her so fast and quickly going out of the car. Getting out of the car. Oh my god, there's one, there's one!
Oh mein Gott, da sind gerade voll viele! Wow!
Where have you heard about that coffee shop?
In a blogartikel from the garden route. Somebody wrote an article about the garden route. So.
We are right now in a coffee shop called Coffee on the Rocks, which is a 30-minute drive away from Hermanus, here on the coastline along the garden route. And you can see already that this road trip, garden route trip, mostly, if not only, consists out of whale watching, whale spotting. We ordered 2 Americano. They don't have vegan milk, so we brought our own.
Maybe a good tip if you want to come here to the Coffee on the Rocks, you have to make a reservation.
Yeah, you should make a reservation before.
But you have a guarantee to see whales. We saw...
Are you giving the guarantee or?
No, I think you have the guarantee.
No, you have a really high chance to see one. See on
we
whales.
saw, I don't know, 4 or 5.
Thank you for the coffee, it was really delicious. Thank you.
Very strong.
There's the coffee shop, Coffee on the Rocks, and here are the rocks. So if you're here and stop by, definitely come down, because you can also walk through these rocks here and it looks really cool and amazing. And you can spot some whales. Not now, but we've seen some when we arrived here. So yeah, cool place.
2.5. What are the other?
We still got one tire which has low pressure and we haven't checked it yet, so we need to do that now before we drive further. It doesn't say.
Check them first and then see which one is lower than.
Yeah, it doesn't say which one. I don't know. Low pressure.
And then see which one is lower than the
Yeah,
other.
it just say low pressure.
Low pressure detected.
Okay, let's try. This one is on 300.
Should be good, right?
Yeah,
300?
300 is good. It could be this one because this one is 2.6.
2.6.
Yeah, 2.6.
So it's this one here, right?
Yeah. Yes, check it maybe tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, have a good one.
Cheers.
So he filled it up with air again. Just need to keep track of it. Let's hope that we don't have any issues with that anymore and we can continue our road trip with no problems at all. Okay, next up, the hoop. Ooh, I don't know. Pond? Ferry. It's maybe not so good to drive here.
No.
Is it the only way to get there?
Yeah.
And now? So our plan was to go to the so-called Detour nature reserve, but as it seems like this would be the way to get there. And it would be definitely not a good idea to drive here. We decided to skip this nature reserve as the road was gravel and almost impossible to drive there. So we decided to drive further and already reached our destination for today, which is called Mossel Bay. It is now already 5:30. We drove almost for the whole day and it is also the longest drive we had on this road trip to Port Elizabeth. Yes, so we kept driving for the whole day. And because we didn't do anything today, except for driving the whole time, I decided to end today's vlog with an epic... Whoa, what's going on here? Anyway, I decided to end today's vlog with an epic cinematography style drone flight above Mossel Bay. Okay, we gotta go. These birds were so aggressive there. They attacked the drone and almost couldn't really fly. But they were so aggressive, these birds.
They attacked the drone, they were flying behind the drone.
Look at this guy, it was this guy over there.